All right, we have a name. Are you excited about a name?
Yeah.
I am too.
Now it's our boat.
It does feel more like our boat with our chosen name on it. Looks very pretty. Oh, we still have some projects, but we're getting there. Slowly but surely making progress on it. All right, let's go look at the front name.
Fall in.
Okay. Got to save the camera so I won't fall in. It's an obstacle course out here. And there's the name on the front. And there's our boat, treeless. Made him laugh. So for anyone wondering, tireless, it's in contrast to our Jeep, which has tires, and also means obviously tireless, not tiring. And it's a little punny because we don't have tires.
It's all about stretching and pulling.
What you doing today, Mike?
Doing a side, what are these called? Side panels.
For this.
With a seam in it and new foam backing.
Very nice. These are for the saloon as some people call it.
This one here, I made a little mistake, but I think I can fix it here.
I think you have enough material. I think you're okay. So our salon had everything covered in microfiber, which is okay for the cushions. Maybe not our favorite, but we're covering everything that isn't cushions in vinyl, in this vinyl.
There we go.
There we go. Oh, that's looking very nice.
All done.
All done. The vinyl will be much nicer to clean.
Now I got to cut this corner. But I think I'm going to go like this first.
Yeah, probably a good idea. So that you have the bulk of it done first.
I could probably turn this thing down just a little. It's about 25, 30 psi now. Don't want the staples going through it.
True.
All right. Now for the fun. I could fold the corner in like that.
Mm-hmm.
I think it would go like this.
It's very technical, people.
And like that. Is that part exposed? I don't think it is.
I don't think that part's exposed.
I think I can go over like that.
That is... Well, that's the side next to the seat. It's underneath.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What happened to your gun?
Maybe I'm too low. Oh, it went down to like 0.
Zero's not going to do anything.
Here we go.
Cool. How's it looking? Oh, that looks very nice.
That's what you're going to see right there.
Yeah, very classy. I like it.
All right.
All right. I'll leave you alone. All right. Second tug today. Hauling a ship so close to us. The other one was like 20 feet off the front of our boat. And this one is pretty darn close. Oh, that's maybe 30 feet from our bow. That's a big ship. So today I'm on our Bayliner 3888 that we purchased in April. It is the 1st of August, and I was hoping by now that I would have a lot of the projects done and it would look all magazine ready and I could do a big tour. But reality has set in, and I'm realizing that it's not going to be magazine ready anytime soon. And so I thought, well, this is a good opportunity. See what we have done over the last 4 months, because it's quite a bit, and then just introduce you to the boat. Here we go. Well, this is going to be quick. I grabbed a new battery before I left the house, and it only has 11%. I don't know what happened. Technical difficulties. So we got the name on her last weekend. She is tireless. So we haven't done a whole lot to the outside since I last filmed. The teak is still a future project, unfortunately. We haven't done anything to the flybridge. Well, Mike's put a few new instruments up there, but nothing that's really visually interesting. So I'm not even going to go up there. I'm not going to go up to the bow. It looks the same. So a lot of the things we've done are in the staterooms or in the main salon here. So I've cleaned, and cleaned some more. We've started recovering. So these were all the same microfiber. So we've started recovering these. So we've gotten the side and the top done. And then we still have a few more to go that are down below the seats. But we have this one recovered. So in vinyl, much easier to clean, much more durable, and a little more dirt resistant. It's messy. I haven't cleaned this area at all. I haven't cleaned the helm at all. It's been our workbench right now. So the galley I have scrubbed, the whole entire thing. It was pretty grimy. Sorry for the noise. Those are the neighbors pulling their stuff up. So scrubbed the fridge, scrubbed all the inside of all the cabinets. So it's probably not going to look that much different. I think before I showed this giant storage, so now we have, you know, water and paper towels and some wine and vodka. You know, the necessities. I've gotten a few little fun accessories, some pot holders, and I have purchased dishes. So these are Corelle, so they are shatter resistant, and then we don't have to use paper plates so much. A little more environmentally friendly. And I got some silverware and a silverware holder, all the comforts of home. A few things came off the old boat. My favorite little cutting board, just this tiny little bamboo one. It's great. A knife with a sheath, that is super important, so you don't reach in the drawer with the knife. And I got this cute little cheese grater that I really like. It was very handy, and it's flat. It stores so flat. So that's that. Not a very complicated galley. I have glass storage. We've got a little work to do in there, and then we want to eventually change out the sink and the faucet. All right, so the guest stateroom, I just got the new bed in there, and I found this comforter. I love it. And so I got that all put together the other day. This is a 6-inch memory foam mattress. I have not slept here yet, but it looks super comfy. And this is a queen size bed. Had to trim it just a little bit. But for the most part, it fit in. This room was pretty dirty with diesel soot, and I got most of it out. Mike has changed the battery charger to an updated electronic one. And mostly it's just been cleaning. And this head was clean, I promise you. But Mike's been working on the hatch, and so it is back in. It was cracked. It's fixed now, but there's still some work to do. And then I need to clean this head again. It's a never-ending process, I think. All right, and then moving on to our stateroom. Fire extinguisher is missing right now. We're taking those to be recertified. So, is this not the cutest bedroom setup you've ever seen in a boat? Okay, maybe not, but I think it's adorable. I looked really hard for a bedspread and pillows, and I just thought this was so cute and a little kitschy, and I'm okay with that. So nothing big to see over here. I've cleaned. Same with the head. I have cleaned and cleaned and cleaned some more. And that's it. And then it's probably about time to clean it again, since that's what I do on the boat, apparently. And here's a hanging locker. Mike is working on some electrical right now, getting 12 volt put into our area. You can see the 12 volt USB, or regular 12 volt, and then 12 volt USB. So those are very nice. He's changed out the T-stats, 3 of those on board. And I have a few areas left to clean, but that's pretty much it. We are getting there with some more work to go. I think it's a boat. It's never-ending work. That is Tireless. I'm excited to show her to you. All right, that was the tour. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if you can tell I'm sweating, and it's a little warm in there today, but it feels great out here in this breeze. So I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more boat adventures, because we intend on going out and having some fun once all the work, scratch that, once some of the work is done. If we can get it going enough to go, we're gonna go. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.